Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the chapter number 6, verb in English grammar. Now, what is verb? The action words are called verbs. जो काम हम करते हैं उसको हम वर्ब बोलते हैं. वर्ब यानी क्रिया. Plays, walks, swims, dance, eat. ठीक है? Now name that verb. How many types of verbs is there? Action verbs होता है, linking verbs होता है and helping verbs होता है. Now there are the different types of verbs. Some show actions and some does not. Some do not. An action verb shows action. Action verb होता है वो action show करता है and it tells what the subject of the sentence does. वो ये देखता है action verb कि subject क्या है sentence का. Now action verb देखो. Bill hit the ball. The cat purred softly. I walked to school. Susan spoke to me. तो ये hit, purred, walk, spoke. These all are the action verb. यानी वो काम कर रहे हैं. Now linking verbs. Linking verbs or links or connects the subject to the predicate. It does not show. ठीक है? Linking verb subject और predicate को कनेक्ट्स करता है लेकिन वो शो नहीं करता. नाउ कॉमन लिंकिंग वर्ब्स मीन्स कॉमनली भी लिंकिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल एम, इज, आर, वॉज, वेयर, बी, बीन, सीम्स, फील, टेस्टेस. दीज आर द कॉमन लिंकिंग वर्ब्स. लिंकिंग वर्ब्स फॉर एग्जांपल देखो वी आर हंग्री. सो आर इज द लिंकिंग वर्ड. दो वर्ड्स के बीच में जो ज्वाइन करता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द लिंकिंग वर्ब्स. He was late to school. The winner is Johnny. Now helping verbs. Helping verb helps a main verb. Main verb होता है helping verb. The helping verb comes before the main verb. Helping verb कब आता है? Main verb के पहले. Helping main verb देखो I am eating my lunch. I am eating. Am eating. The helping verb. It has taken to test. We were talking. Now, the practice time in the following sentence. See if you can identify the verb. देखो, they are watching television. Verb are watching मतलब कि वो टीवी देख रहा है and type क्या है तो helping main. फिर है सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट में क्या है उसके रूल्स देखो. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट अगर कोई भी सब्जेक्ट यानी सेंटेंस के जो शुरुआत के जो वर्ड्स होते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड सब्जेक्ट. तो वो जो सिंगुलर होता है सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट मस्ट हैव सिंगुलर वर्ब्स. प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स टेक प्लूरल वर्ब. क्लियर? सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट में सिंगुलर वर्ब्स होता है, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट में प्लूरल वर्ब्स होता है. Now rules on verb subject verb agreement से क्या क्या रूल्स है देखो. जैसे the pronoun you always takes a plural verb. अगर हमारा pronoun में अगर हम you यूज़ करते हैं सेंटेंस में तो you always takes a plural verb. तो you के साथ हमेशा plural verb भी आता है. For example you were invited to come. Were is a plural verb. But you always take a plural verb you के साथ. You are asked to clean the room. You sing so well. Now if a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with the subject which follows it. अगर कोई भी सेंटेंस here या there से शुरू होता है तो verb agree with the subject. Here are the ways on how to preserve meat. There is a huge gap between the rich and the poor. Clear? If two sentences, these all are the rules of the verbs. If two subjects says one single and other plural. अगर दो सब्जेक्ट है एक सिंगुलर है एक प्लूरल है are connected by either or neither nor. दो सेंटेंस में आइदर और या नाइदर नॉर से सब्जेक्ट कनेक्ट होता है. द वर्ब एग्रीज विद द नियरर सब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल Neither the players nor the coach is joining. Either the conductor or the singer are attending the concert. Clear? A singular subject followed by intervening words or phrase such as singular subject होता है उसमें देखो with, as well as, in addition to, accompanied by, together, accompanied by, together with, and no less than take a singular verb. For example, Jake accompanied by his sister is enrolling in PCC. Daddy as well as my brother is enjoying the party. Now fifth, singular subject joined by and required a plural verb. Singular subject joined and से required होता है वो है plural verb except when they mean one thing. Larry and Mercy अगर दो singular verb है तो वो and से joined होते हैं are reading novels. My teacher and friend is here. टू सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट अगर दो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट होते हैं joined by either or neither nor take a singular verb. अगर दो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट होते हैं तो वो सिंगुलर वर्ब से ही ज्वाइंट होते हैं. Either mommy or daddy is coming with me at the outbound. Neither Freddie nor Dulcie is waiting for you. If a singular subject अगर कोई सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट हुआ is followed by a phrase. We have already discussed that what is phrase. Containing a plural noun. अगर phrase में plural noun contain होता है, the verb is singular. One of the boys is yelling so loud. For example, one of the members is against the rule. Subject singular है लेकिन phrase है इसलिए noun plural है. The indefinite pronouns several, few, both, many, others are always plural. ये सब जो वर्ड्स है वो ऑलरेडी प्लूरल फॉर्म में ही प्लूरल वर्ब में ही है. Both were asking to be freed. Several are seeking justice. The indefinite pronouns some, most, all, none are singular or plural according to the meaning of the sentence. ये सारे जो वर्ड्स है वो सिंगुलर फॉर्म में भी आ सकते हैं, प्लूरल में भी आ सकते हैं, बट इट इज़ डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सेंटेंस. Some of the girls were absent. ठीक है, some of the girls, कुछ गर्ल्स, बहुत सारी गर्ल्स, मतलब गर्ल्स एक नहीं है, ठीक है, वे absent. Some of the ice cream is left. Now introduction. A phrasal verb is the combination of a standard verb such as make of put with one or two particles. In some cases the particle is an adverb such as away, togetherness. In other it is a preposition such as throw in. For example, pass way, pull together, go out, break out. Phrasal verbs क्या है? Combination of a standard verb एक से दो particles में, and in some cases the particles is an adverb. वो adverb में भी आ सकते हैं. Now what is phrasal verb? Phrasal verb equal a verb plus a particle. For example, put off. So put is a verb of a particle. Put off. I put off my trip. I postponed my trip. The particle looks like a preposition. Clear? But it does not function as a preposition. Particles है वो preposition जैसा है, but वो preposition actually नहीं है. He woke up 6:30 a.m. Strangers woke him up. The verb and the particle have a special meaning. Verb और particle का special meaning होता है, but it's not a preposition. Preposition जैसा दिखता है. Using phrasal verb. Many phrasal verbs and one verb have similar meaning. Wake up, awaken. Go on, to continue. Take off, remove. Phrasal are less formal and more common in everyday speech. Clear? More examples of phrasal verbs. Give up, abandon. Turn out, produce. Carry on, continue. Put off, postpone. Turn down, reject. Look after, take care of. Get at, attend. Call at, visit. Bring up, train to do work. Call on, a brief visit to. Put on, wear. दिस ऑल आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द फ्रेजल वर्ब, जो दिखते हैं जिसके अंदर वर्ब प्लस पार्टिकल होता है, दिखते हैं प्रीपोजिशन जैसे, बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक अ प्रीपोजिशन. Now conclusion. Phrasal verbs are very important for the learners because they are so prevalent in everyday book and written language. Phrasal verb बहुत important है speaking के लिए और writing language के लिए, and it is easy to guess their meanings. अगर आप उसको जान लोगे तो आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा उसका meaning guess करने में, because the verb and the particle keep their usual meaning that you need to learn. Okay students.